Exercise 6.3, fourth question. Find first subdivision -7, -8, -25. You have to find the value of it, or you have to simplify this. See, we can take -7 as -7 itself, -8 as -8 itself. What about this? Two signs, both are negative. So, when two negative signs comes together, it is positive, plus 25, which is equal to. These two are numbers of the same sign. So, we have to add. So, -15 plus 25. Now, we got two numbers of different sign. Take the difference between the numbers. It is 10 and put the sign of the bigger number, plus. Then second question B, -13 plus 32 -8 -1. So, we can take -13. Here also only one sign. So, plus 32 -8 -1. So, what we can do first is -13 plus 32 we can keep as it is. And what about -8 -1? Two numbers of same sign. Add this and put the same sign. Then we have to add both the negative signs together. What is -13 -9? -22. Then plus 32. So, two numbers of different sign. Take the difference between the numbers. 10 is the difference. And put the sign of the bigger number, plus 10. Let's explain this once again. What I have taken is, I have done -8 -1 first. So, it is -9. Then I have combined -13 -9. It is -22. -22 plus 32. Two numbers of different sign. Take the difference, 10. And put the sign of the bigger number, plus. Then next we can write it as -7. Then both, one is positive, other is negative. So, we have to take negative sign. Here positive and negative comes, so negative sign. So, all these numbers are of same sign. What you have to do? You have to add everything. So, 15 it is. So, -15 -90 when we combine these two. So, it is -105. Two numbers of same sign, add the numbers and put the same sign. Then here what we are getting is 50, two negative signs together, plus 40, again two negative signs together, plus 2. So, all these are of same sign. So, it is 92. Then next question, fill in the blanks with greater, lesser or equal sign. You have to fill this part with the sign. For that we have to take the LHS and RHS separately. What do you mean by LHS? Left hand side. RHS means right hand side. This is the left hand side. This is the left hand side part of this question and this is the right hand side. So, what I am writing is LHS and RHS. So, LHS we can write as -3. Plus and minus comes together, -6. So, two numbers of same sign, add the numbers and put the same sign. What about RHS? RHS is right hand side, -3, minus and minus become plus, +6. So, two numbers of different sign, take the difference. What is the difference? 3 and put the sign of the bigger number. So, which is greater? -9 or +3? +3 is greater. So, the symbol is like this. Next, LHS equal to -21 plus 10. So, two numbers of different sign. Take the difference. What is the difference between these two? -11. And what about RHS? -31 and plus and minus comes together. So, it is negative, -11. So, it is equal to we have to add both. Minus 42. Which is greater here? Minus 11 is greater. So, we have to write like this. Minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Next, LHS equal to 45, two negative signs together plus 11. So, it is 56. RHS 57 plus and minus comes. So, it is minus 4. It is equal to 53. Which is greater? 56 is greater. So, LHS is greater. Then D. LHS equal to minus 25, two negative signs together plus 42. So, when you subtract, you are getting this as 17. It is two numbers of different sign. Take the difference between the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. And RHS minus 42 plus 25. What is the difference between these two? 17. So, it is negative 17. Which is greater? Positive 17 is greater. So, the symbol is like this. Then filling the blanks. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. What you have to add to this to get a 0? Same number of different sign. So, plus 8. Then 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Same number, different sign. It is minus 13. Then what about 12 plus minus 12? Two numbers of different sign but same number. So, answer is 0. Then minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. Listen, here 4 but here the value is increasing. 4 is increased as 12. So, how can you write? Increasing means you have to add the same sign. You have to add the same sign. So, minus 4 plus what gives minus 12? 4 plus 8 is 12. So, minus 4 plus minus 8 is minus 12. Next, dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Here the value is decreasing. 15 become 10. So, the sign should be different. So, minus 15 plus what gives minus 10? Plus 5. Minus 15 plus 5 will give minus 10.